In this video, I'll show you how you can get a refund on your Roblox Game Pass. Now this is super simple, and what you need to do is you need to contact the Roblox support. So go to roblox.com/support, just like this. From in here, you're gonna fill in your contact information, and with the details, you're gonna choose your PC. And from in here, you wanna find purchases using Robux. From in here, do an experience item. From in here, you want to tell them, hey, I bought the Game Pass and I don't need it anymore. I paid this amount of Robux. Type how much Robux you paid and ask if they can do a refund. Now, they will contact you on the email that you typed in here and let you know if you're available for the refund. So that's basically how you can do it, guys. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.